So, just so you see, all right, hard tether. Like I said, got a nice J hook with the sprung keeper on it. Traditional ratchet, but the kicker is you don't have to worry about tying off your strap because it has a nice spring-loaded retractor on it. They're really great straps. They've kind of replaced all my old ratchet straps. I do think they're quality. The parts that are black are powder coated. It's not paint. All right. You can scratch on them. You know, scratch on it right now. Yeah. Yeah, that's not paint. That's powder coating. All right. These are all powder coated. There, I'm beating the hell out of this. All right. That's powder coating, guys. So, and that's stainless. All right. All this stuff has nice rubber texturized ends on them. All right. These are not your cheap regular straps. So, yeah, these are pretty stout. I got to give it to them. I mean, they build a quality unit. So, when I get a chance to review stuff that's higher quality, like Shurcan gas cans, I'm like, yeah, dude, they're not cheap, but you get what you pay for. You buy something really nice. These are a nice strap. So, these guys are doing a good job. Hey, guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.